I spent my childhood in watery land now named Bangladesh. Loved the calm, the peaceful calm of the sea, the spectacular sound of the wave, the spectacles in the sky with its tremendous protagonist, the clouds, shifts and drifts and nature. The heartbeat, rhythm and peace of our planet do give me inspiration and fundamental strength for my creative soul. What is art? It is the response of man's creative soul to the call of the real, said by Rabindranath Tagore. I found one of my creative soul to the call of the real in love of ease and transparency in myth of watercolors. As I started my long-lasting, very intimate liaison, I really felt the spirit and strength of it. From now on, I could see everything clear, was able to explore the core, was able to convey my feeling, strength from my heart and soul, from my orbit of culture and home, carrying directly to the outside. Receiving every sunbeam, giving me the feeling of being alive, feeling eternity, feeling the urge in action reduced, getting minimalistic, reducing form and color, inspired by Zen. Zen took me to the mainland, to untouched landscapes, fertile wetland, the rice fields, to Bengal village, contemplative forest beyond compare. Anticipating the calm before the storm, slowly but surely cyclone Phony gets closer and reveals its tremendous power, terrifies and enchanted by its beauty. It is the miracle of Mother Nature. Before the final curtain falls and phoenix rises from the ashes, a new day is dawning. New life begins. Suddenly everything makes sense again and the colorful synchronization of life starts again. Thanks to burningallery to present my works in Austria as cultural exchange between Austria and India in their gallery and online.